So as you can see, we're wearing our Live the Legacy apparel. And included in that is a camo limited edition version of our Bold Blend seasoning. Each year we like to do something special around hunting season because butchering, hunting, we feel that those traditions are so important. And when you're out doing all of these, in the field, you're butchering, you're hunting, those all go hand in hand. And of course, spices and meat have gone together for centuries. So this message is about living the legacy.
And check this out, turn around once, Scott. The silhouette you see in the middle of the shirt, that's from an elk that I killed last year in New Mexico with Montana Knife Company. So pretty cool, we are truly living the legacy.
Bold, bacon, and blue bratwursts and burgers. That sounds absolutely delicious. Today we're going to be using some elk meat. We're going to be adding some of our hardwood smoked pork bacon ends and pieces. We're going to be using our Bold seasoning and some high melt blue cheese, making some awesome elk bratwurst and elk burgers. Let's get started seasoning, grinding, making a delicious product. I'm doing 2 batches, 12.5 pounds each. And these bags are formulated for 25 pounds. I'm gonna start by splitting my Bold seasoning, our DIY bag. I'm gonna split it in half. I'm gonna do half of the bag for half of the volume. So I'm gonna do 12.5 pounds here. We're gonna set that aside for a later date, split that. On our bratwurst, same thing. I'm gonna make 12.5 pounds of bratwurst. So I'm gonna split the cheese that goes in our bratwurst. So this 2.5 pound bag of cheese, so I'm gonna split it down to 1.25 pounds. Then I'm gonna go ahead and split my bacon ends and pieces, also 2.5 pound bag. And since I'm making 2 12.5 pound batches, I'm gonna split this in half. Oh, that smell, that hardwood smoked bacon. That smells amazing. Now this is a no nitrite bacon too, so you're adding it to your product. It's a nice clean addition. Celery powder makes it for a naturally occurring product. Now, the elk that I have 11.25 pounds, and then I'm gonna add 1.25 pounds of bacon. Give it that nice flavor. Just makes it all the better when you can add bacon to your game products. Of course, you can do this with deer. You can even do it with pork, anything you really want. So first I'm gonna start by adding this bacon, this hardwood smoked bacon, right to my mix. I'm gonna hand mix this in, and then we'll get started grinding. Now this is gonna be for the burger. So for the burger, we're gonna be seasoning those when we grill them. So I'm not adding any seasoning directly into the burger. It's just gonna be elk meat with some hardwood smoked bacon ends and pieces added to it. Of course, you can add more or less as you prefer to your mix. You want more bacon? This would be the minimum amount of bacon that we would recommend adding to game meat. Let's just get started grinding. Using our number 22 dual grind grinder. So one pass through this is gonna give us the right consistency. Keeping the meat nice and cold definitely helps with the grinding process. Beautiful, slightly bacon flavored elk burger. We're gonna form these into some burgers here. I'm just gonna spread out this meat into a cookie sheet, use a biscuit cutter, form some burgers. Burgers are processed and formed. We started packing some of them up, and now we're going to turn our attention to what I'm looking forward to, which is the bold seasoned, bacon infused, blue cheese added elk bacon and blue bratwurst. Starts with adding our bold seasoning right to the mix. Now, whether you buy the bold seasoning in that packet that's formulated for 25 pounds or you buy it in the shaker, it's the same thing. This shaker you could use for this method, that vice versa. They're interchangeable. Now that we're seasoned, we're gonna go ahead and dump in our remaining hardwood smoked bacon ends and pieces. Get this seasoning blended in here and then ground. Now that we are seasoned, our bacon's ground in there, we're just gonna dump our blue cheese into this brat and mix it in. Now, of course, you can put blue or you can put cheese on top of a burger, but you can't put cheese inside of a bratwurst any other way than what I'm doing right now.
What are we using to stuff these? So this is the Made with Meat 25-pound capacity electric stuffer. We've been using this pretty much all summer long. It's been fantastic. Comes with a foot pedal, slow speed, faster speed. You can run it on auto, so you can use it between the auto, the foot pedal. It's completely up to you, but yeah, this has been an absolute game changer for us. So we're gonna use a 32 millimeter fresh casing, and then we're just gonna get started stuffing those bacon blue bold elk brats that Scott just ground.
Look at that.
Big old,
Right in there.
big old meatball. Two strands of the 32 millimeter collagen casing will do 25 pounds, so probably use just a strand or maybe just a tad bit more. We're going to run our plunger down till it hits the product, and then we will start stuffing out some sausage strands. I'm hearing some resistance with the plunger, and here comes that delicious elk brat. I'm using the foot pedal now on the electric stuffer so I can just regulate, you know, when I want to start and stop with my foot pedal. You know what this has me craving, don't you, Scott?
I don't know.
Is another Western elk hunt, because I'm about out of elk meat from our New Mexico hunt
in Ohio.
So I wanted to bring up just real quick our Live the Legacy new apparel line, stickers, etc. That's the bull. That's a picture that was taken in New Mexico on our elk hunt with Montana Knife Company. So that's the bull that I killed out there in New Mexico. So I've been getting up in the morning and working out and cold plunging, looking up at the stars, dreaming about being in New Mexico again. And that wraps up stuffing of the elk brats. You can see how much casing I had left over from that amount of meat. So a beautiful lug of brats and a beautiful lug of burgers. To the Breeo we go. First up, those gorgeous elk brats going on the Breeo outpost. We're gonna get those on there, and then we're going to get our burgers on there. So if you remember right, we did not season the burgers yet, so we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of the bold blend on these elk burgers, because what goes better with wild game than that bold blend with a brand new limited edition label. Same ingredients, same spices, new label for limited time. That? Could you bounce a little more? Life of content creators. All right, time to build a burger. Gonna go in with the burger. Let's do some lettuce. And we're gonna do some onion. We've got the Munster cheese melted on there. And then we're gonna do just a little bit of Bearded Butcher barbecue. That's ready to eat. We ready?
Yep.
You want to try a brat first or a burger? With no blue cheese, just the Munster? Yeah. Okay.
So obviously the burger was seasoned with the bold seasoning. You can choose what cheese you want to put or what seasoning you want. But the beauty of it is that bacon's going to be in there.
You can keep talking. I'm going to start eating.
Mm-hmm.
Very good.
Wow. Just the right amount of
No gaminess.
flavor and juiciness from that bacon without being overwhelming. I mean, I don't really want to eat a burger that tastes like bacon, like full-on bacon.
Just has a nice smoky flavor.
Very tender, very good.
The one I'm excited about is this brat because it has the blue cheese in it.
Show me the inside of that.
Yeah, look at that. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa. No.
Oh, no.
Uh-oh. Charlie.
That's a
No.
2-second.
I'm eating
you
it.
got
5
it.
second rule.
Let me focus
Look at
on
that.
that.
I think I do
Boy.
have a. There we go.
Oh. Yes. I personally love blue cheese.
I absolutely love blue cheese.
I think it really sets that apart. That's amazing. One of my new favorites.
Look at that delicious burger.
You want to do that on this guy
I
here
sure
too?
will.
Let's go with the burger and then the brat.
Yep.
Look at that juicy, handmade burger.
You know,
Got
you
barbecue,
guys
the
saw
onion,
us
lettuce.
make this from start to finish.
Literally just this morning.
Just this morning.
Wow. And one of the great things about living the legacy is when you're eating the legacy.
I can see a piece of that bacon in there. That's amazing.
Set that aside. Now let's try our brat.
What a tough job getting to
Cheese in there,
eat on
barbecue,
camera for
onion.
a living. This one's gonna be good.
Wow. That flavor combo.
Barbecue, onions, bacon,
10 out
bold
of 10.
seasoning, blue cheese. Wow. That's incredible.
So there you have it. Living the legacy, eating the legacy. The Bearded Butchers made these wonderful hardwood smoked infused elk burgers and brats. You can do the same thing at home, beardedbutchers.com. Grab all your supplies. You can customize a little bit if you want. This particular combination was dynamite for us.
And here's the cool thing. It doesn't have to be just wild game. You can do this with beef. You can do it with pork. You can do it with chicken, turkey. Heck, you can do it with alligator. You can do it with your neighbor's dog if you want.
We don't recommend it, but you could.
Get some bold seasoning, and you too can make this at home. Have some fun with your family and friends, and truly live the legacy. What do you think?
Until next time, see ya.
See ya.